There are two easy methods that you can use to install TCL in your Windows system. The first one is to use the active TCL installer. It's free for personal use. So you go to the website and you download the installer. So there is the download button, and then you run the installer. Automatically it will install TCL in your system. The second method, the one that I use, is to use the TCL installer provided by the Bauti framework. In the download page, you can find two types of installers for TCL. The first one is TCL Pure, which means that you will install only the TCL TK package, but the TCL B Windows installer means all the TCL battery included installer. In this one, you will have a lot of packages already installed in your system, including the TK-Pad package that I've talked about in this video. There are the 32-bit installer and the 64. There are also two versions, TCL 8 and TCL 9. I just installed the TCL 9 version to test it out. So after the installation, to be sure that you've installed your TCL, so you run the command TCL sh. You will have the command line in which you can run your TCL commands. You can also run your TCL scripts directly and run the scripts. I'm going to run 3 scripts that use the TK-Pad package. So this one created this custom style for the entry box. You can find these examples in the demo repo of the TK-Pad GitHub repository. This one will draw a clock, will create a clock. And the third one draws graphics. The last one is the one we've seen in the Tiger video. So to run it, I'm just going to name the file and it will execute the script. For these scripts to work in this version, I had to remove this line. I installed the 9 version. The version of this TK-Pad is newer than the version I showed you in the TK-Pad video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.